Very good morning, students. Students, we are studying the economic variables or system of macroeconomics variables. We study so far aggregate demands, aggregate supply, consumptions, expenditures. Now, aggregate investments. First, we understand what is the investment. Investment is a total amount of money spent by shareholder or investors in buying a share of company, right? It is also called the savings, longer savings, right? Investment or investing means that an asset is bought or that money is put into bank to get future interest from it. Whatever the money we have saved in the banks, that is also our investment, we can say that, right? And in returns we get interest, right? There are different kinds of the bank accounts, saving accounts, right? Some are the fixed deposit, concurrent deposit also, CDs, right? Recurring accounts also. There are different accounts. In saving accounts we get 2% interest. In other fixed deposit we get around 7 and 7.5% interest from the banks. That is also the investments, right? We get a future interest from it, right? That is why investment is the total amount of money spent by shareholder or investor buying share of company also, right? In returns we get the profit also, right? That is the investment. What are the source of investments? There are some direct equity mutual funds, debit mutual funds, national pension systems, NPS, PPF, public provident funds, bank fixed deposit, what I have already explained you, FD, senior citizen saving schemes, RBI taxable bonds, right? So these are the sources of investment, right? What are the types of investment in our economy? There are some important types of investment are business fixed investment, residential investment, inventory investment, autonomous investment, and induced investment, right students? Thanks for watching this. Now we have completed the 4 economics systems or variable of macroeconomics: aggregate demands, aggregate supply, aggregate consumption, and aggregate investment, right students? Thanks for watching it. Subscribe it, share it, right?